Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the HSEE 2019 paper. The questions that we are focusing on in this particular video is of the quantitative aptitude section, and question number 52 is what we'll try and solve in this particular video. Okay, so we'll take a look at the question itself. We'll try and understand the approach of the same. So the rate of interest in savings account is 10% per annum compounded annually. Total amount of interest earned by this compound interest scheme after 2 years is, okay, so total amount of compound interest earned. Okay, we have to find the compound interest. So let's take a look. So we have R at 10% and we have time as 2 years. Okay, so we know compound interest can be given by P by 100 plus 1 to the power n, where n is years, minus p. Okay, this is what we have. So if I take p common, oh, then what we have here, r is 10%, so we have 10 by 100 plus 1 square minus 1. Okay, this can be written as p. So 1 by 100 is 0.1, so 1.1 square minus 1. Okay, so 1.1 I can treat it as 11 squared, so it will simply be p 1.21, because 11 squared is 121 minus 1, or p will be 0.21, or since the compound interest will simply be 0.21 p. Now let's go through the options. 0.11 or 0.21 times the principal amount. Option B will be the correct answer. Okay, pretty straightforward. I don't think you should face any issue in this regards, and I hope this thing is clear to you as well. So with all that said and done, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with content such as this further down the line as well. Okay, so with all that said, we'll continue our discussion on the subsequent questions in the next videos. Until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.